doing? I'm just saying high five. High five. Fist bump. High five. Down low. Too slow.
High five. Nah, don't tag me. I said high five. I said a high five. I said a high five.
Today. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Top 10 dogs that I would pet instead of my dog. None. Because I love only Bella, and I only want to pet her.
My niece's cat has stomach problems. I ate without him.
Rocky! Rocky!
Right, Sandy, look. Right, sit. Sit. High five. Sweet.
Yay!
Everything you're doing is making me want to slap the living shit out of you right now. But I'm more mature, more than I've been normally, so I'll shake your hand. And then I'll bite you down!
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the... no.
Oh, hi, Harvest. What you doing? What was that? Hi. Aww. Hi. Hi. Can I have paw? Can you give me paw, please? Thank you. What about the other one? Oh, thanks. The other paw? Oh, that one was a little lazy. Okay.
Oh, now you sit pretty.
She's just pointing at you.
Boomer, high five. Good boy.
Hey. Do you think I could have my chair back? No? Is it yours now? How about a high five? Oh, good boy. Who's my good boy?
Which one of y'all did it? No, baby. Baby, look. Look, which one did it? Who did it to you? I'm gonna let you know this right here, right now. When I find out who did it, it's gonna be a problem. You're not finna touch my baby. No, tell me who it is. Tell me who it is. Look at him. Look at him. You don't wanna look at him? Y'all play with the wrong mama. Where my gun at? Where my taser at? No, baby. Cause where my taser at? Cause y'all got him scared. He's scared of y'all.